The Ford F-150 isn't just America's best-selling vehicle, it's a legend. Over nearly 5 decades, it has become the benchmark for trucks worldwide. And along the way, Ford has released some trims that became icons all on their own. Since its debut in 1975, the F-150 has gone through 14 generations. The all-black Nite Edition gave the F-150 a stealthy, street-smart look. The first performance truck came in '93 with the SVT Lightning. Ford's SVT team modified the truck, enhancing performance and visuals that no other truck had at the time. Suddenly, pickups weren't just for work, they could be fun too. Next came the Harley-Davidson edition. This wasn't just a truck, it was a statement. Some years even offered supercharged power, giving the Harley trucks real bite to match their attitude. In 2010, Ford took things in a completely new direction with the F-150 Raptor. With long travel suspension, skid plates, and a wide, aggressive stance, the Raptor was basically a Baja racer straight from the factory. Over the years, the Raptor has only gotten wilder, from V8 power to twin-turbo EcoBoost engines, and now the Raptor R with over 700 horsepower. It remains the ultimate off-road performance truck and a dream machine for enthusiasts worldwide. In 2003, the Centennial Edition marked Ford's 100th anniversary with unique badging. The Tremor offers a mix of off-road capability with everyday usability. These trims showed just how versatile the F-150 could be, serving everyone from ranchers and racers to collectors. The Ford F-150 has always been more than just a truck. It's been a canvas for some of the most unique and memorable trims in automotive history. From the street-fighting SVT Lightning to the lifestyle-driven Harley-Davidson. So, which one is your favorite? Would you pick the raw speed of the Lightning, the style of the Harley, or the off-road power of the Raptor? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more forgotten and legendary cars. I realize there are many tuner versions of the F-150. I wanted to stick with official versions. If you would like to see some tuner versions, comment below.